ladies and dear juniors. Myself Amrita, along with my group members Aditi, Gupta, Akansha and Amit are going to give model presentation on developmental milestone of infant. So welcome to the highway of developmental milestone of infant, where baby's first year is a journey and every milestone represents growth. So first of all, talking about growth and development. Growth refers to an increase in mass or size, whereas development specifies functional maturation. These changes do not occur at once. They occur step by step. They are classified as physical development, motor development, which includes fine motor development and gross motor development. Further, it includes cognitive development, language development, social development, and sensory development. Now, let us travel together on this developmental highway and explore each age milestone.
Good morning, respected evaluators and everyone present here. Today, I will take you to the milestone of 0 to 3 months. The 0 to 3 months, the infant starts growing. So, various physical developments that we observe in an infant would be the average birth weight of an infant is 2.5 kg, whereas the average head circumference we observe is 31 to 33 centimeter, 33 to 35 centimeter, and chest circumference 31 to 33 centimeter. Whereas various other developments like gross motor development at 3 months would be flexion posture, use grasping, across extension, motor reflex disappears, whereas lando reflex appears. Further talking about babies of 1 month, baby lies in flex position at birth, less fixed prone position at 2 months, lips head 45 degree and above, flat surface at 2 months and further above 90 degree at 3 months. Baby holds a head erect and rolls over from back to side. Talking about the fine motor, at birth, baby grasp reflex is strong. However, as the baby grows, baby palms open, close hand loosely. At 3 months, it carries object and carries to move at will. Whereas talking about the sensory development of this age group, baby has intact sense of touch, vision, hearing, taste and smell. At 2 months, baby turns head to side when sound occurs. At 3 months, turns head and looks in the same direction to locate sound. At 3 months, the beginning of coordinate various sensory organs starts. Thank you.
So coming to our next milestone, 3 to 5 months, in which the first of all, for the physical development of the baby, there is the presence of Landau reflex and appears, and the appearance of the saliva, and the weight of the baby doubles as the birth weight, and it breathes from the mouth when there is obstruction from the nose. Coming in the motor development, in the gross motor, first of all, the baby rolls back to the abdomen and sit with the support of someone and lift head, shoulder 90 degree to the with prone. Coming to the fine motor development, in which the baby start movement from hand, it grabs the toys, and from hands it transfer the object from one to another position. And coming to the sensory development, in which there is a good fair binocular vision of the baby, and there is a hand-eye coordination starts.
Now let's come towards the milestone of 5 to 7 months. So first talking about physical development. So at this stage, baby's weight doubles as compared to the birth weight. His length increases up to with the rate of 1 to 1.25 centimeter per month, and iris color is well developed, and he can now masticate food with jaw. Now coming towards motor development. So first gross motor development. So in gross motor development, baby pull his feet up to his mouth when in supine position, and he rolls from back to abdomen, and he sit leaning forward his both hand, known as tripod sitting. Now coming to his fine motor development. So baby here attempts to catch the dangling object. He also dangling object, and he uses his finger and thumbs in pincer grasp. And now at last coming to sensory development. So at this stage baby stop crying in response to music, and he enjoys complex visual stimuli and his depth perception increases gradually.
Now next step is 7 to 9 months. Physical development include begin to show patterns in bladder and vowel animation, adoption of upper central and upper lateral incisions. Now talking about motor development, fine motor and gross motor. Fine motor, hold to object while looking at third, release object from hand at will, uses index finger and thumb like tweezers, ring bell. Gross motor includes raise self to sitting position, palmar grasp disappears, sit down, drink from glass with helps. Sensory development, depth perceptions is developing, recognize family word sounds, head turning directly to sound sources. Thank you.
Now, our next milestone is of 9 to 12 months. Talking about the physical development, drooling stops, macula is well developed. The height of the baby increases by 50% of the birth height. The weight triples of the birth weight. Now, further talking about the head circumference and chest circumference, it becomes equals, that is 46 cm. Now, moving to the motor development. Further talking about the gross development, the baby can stand with minimum support. The baby can sit down without any kind of support. After that, moving to the fine development of the baby, the pencil grasp reflex is well developed. The baby can hold any object and bring it to their mouth by their will. The baby also can locate sound coming either from above their ear level or from below their ear level. After that, moving to the sensory development of the baby. The baby tilts head backward to see upward. After that, the baby locates sound either coming from above or below the level of their ear. The baby can locate fastly moving objects. That was all about the development of developmental milestone of an infant. In conclusion, I would like to say that understanding these milestones help parents, caregivers, and healthcare professionals to understand normal development and recognize early signs of delay in growth. These small milestones are healthy steps towards future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. The floor is open for the question. Are you for explanation? Sir, can you give for explanation and after that question?
आइडेंटिफाई करने की पेशेंट जो पेट के लिए है इसका नॉर्मल डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है और एब्नॉर्मल डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, सिवियर डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है।
Sir,